In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start sharing posts on Substack. If you're new to Substack and you wish to go ahead and make your first publication or share anything, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Substack account. And once you are on the home page, you should see a plus here. Go ahead and tap on the plus icon. And then you can see we have here an option for you to write anything. Go ahead and tap on this and write anything, just the same way you normally share content on your social media network such as Facebook. So I'll write like that. Now if you wish to add an image or a video on your post, go ahead and tap on gallery or camera directly to upload any image. So for my case, I'll go to gallery. I'll tap on this image icon, then choose photo gallery or video gallery, and you'll be taken directly to it. Go ahead and choose the image you wish to share, tap on add, and it will be uploaded as you can see here. Then tap on post. By doing this, now your post will be published, and as you can see now, this is live on my profile. So that's how you can post on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.